And we're live. Hello guys. So we are currently in a trade. I'm looking at Euro USD. The idea is that here we created an order block opposite to the general direction as expected, because yesterday Euro USD had a great beating, and I guessed that during the London Open I will retrace back to New York Open at 7 o'clock Greek time. So far the trade is on. I had a big drawdown in my funny trader challenge because yesterday, of course, I did many mistakes with news. I shouldn't even trade, but I traded and I lost big time because I was very certain, as always. So yes, I did some mistakes yesterday. So I am in a big drawdown. I'm gonna call during Twitter. Here's the trade. So far so good. I bought here. Here's the New York Open, but I believe it will go even higher. So the stream, I would like to have an shareable key. Stream, I will copy. For Twitter. Okay. So what we need to see generally is that yesterday we had bad news for your USD with their interest cuts of ECB interest rates. So the general idea for sure is bearish for euro. It surpassed, it was in the 61.8 in the 4-hour time frame. I was thinking that it would be bearish, but I saw a momentum upwards and I thought that they will take it hard in the opposite way to have a retracement and then go down, but it went straight down, so I lost any points. So I am in now 9,491 now, so I kind of lost, not yesterday, but generally I am in a 500 drawdown. I have 800 more, not more, but the target, the total loss I shouldn't have is $800. So far I have 300 to go. So I need to be very careful for me in order to get back in my money and then go in profit. But for sure now I will use only small positions and generally think things a little bit more. So as we see, the trade is going good. I'm afraid that this is too clean, so they will take it out as a liquidity pool, but I believe that it will be later. For now it will hit the New York Open. But after that, I believe it will go even higher. So generally, I didn't trade Euro USD for months, and but now I saw a setup. Yep, it's going good. Great. Well, didn't go well. This message in chat. Trade is going great. I could have bigger position, but I lost earlier with the same thought that to go again in the same spot. So I'm not risking more now. I want to do it a little bit to go a little bit safer because I am in a big drawdown. So yes, this is an ICT concept. So as I said, I still use ICT concepts, but not only. So this is the ICT power of 3, boom, and then it will go up. So we go to the opposite direction of the Asia session, and we're going to hit the New York opening that is in Greek time, it's in 7 o'clock. This is the limit, but I also believe it will go higher to hit these equal highs because they are very clean, and you have stop orders there. So I believe it will go. That's why I'm quite cool about it. How high it will go, I'm not sure because here we don't have a swing low. I would prefer for here as low to have a swing low, but this is too clean, so it will be taken later. So generally we are going down with euro. It's bearish. So, yes, this is a good trade, as it seems. Here we will have a little bit of a retracement, but then I believe it will go straight to the buy side liquidity pool. So, let's go see what is happening in the world. Maybe here some news for you to see. From all this news, what I was interested in was generally what is Putin and Russia is doing. Why? Because the war of Ukraine still moves the markets. So, as we see here, There are fears for cutting the interest rates too early, so generally the bias is bearish. Here we're just trying to have a profit from a retracement. Also, it's Friday. For me, it's the worst day for trading. So generally, yesterday it wasn't a good day. I did some trades in a hurry just before I go to work. So yes, two big mistakes yesterday. So let's see what's going on in gold. In gold, I have drawn this trade line. If we draw from here to here our Fibonacci, we see that here is an optimal trade entry actually. For sure we are bearish, but you never know with gold because of the war issues in Gaza and in Ukraine also. So yes, the idea here that is in the level that it could go lower in 0.79 to Fibonacci in the daily. In the 4 hour we are making lower lows. Also here are equal highs or relatively equal highs, so there are for sure it's a place it's an area of interest that it might be hit it. So we see also a bearish or a fair value gap here, and here we see a bullish fair value gap. So it could go higher in this point after it breaks this trend line. If it breaks and this level, we are going up. Yep, I love this trade. It's going to take the point. For me, guys, the whole thing it's a marathon. So I'm still learning. I'm trying to be consistently profitable. I have tried many strategies, but generally I'm trying to do my own kind of thinking, making it simpler. But generally some levels are to be hit every day, like the New York Open, the latest Asia sessions high or low, and in New York's London's high or low session, but I do not trade New York session because of my schedule. So let's see. Let's go to Brent oil. So here we also had an optimal trade entry. So this was a buy going to the 50% of the Fibonacci. So far it hit it 61.8. So in the 4 hour, here is a buy going up. Also, if we would draw a trend line, that would be hit here. Yes, here it breaks for sure. Yep. Here it didn't respect it. Here it did respect it. So here it could be a buy. But you never know. Yes, generally you have to have other concepts also with trend lines. So here and here it would be a buy, and your stop loss would be under this area. So here that would be a great buy signal. Even here putting the stop loss under this swing low, and that would be so far 59 pips, 60 pips. $77 pips until the 50%. So I have put only 0.2 position because I lost a double position before, having the same thought, but it retraced it a little bit, as you can see here. So I thought the movement would start here, but it didn't. It went downwards and started there. So after I saw that we have a big candle with volume, yep, here I could have some partials, maybe half of it. Yes. Screenshot. For the journal. So I will take some partials. After we hit this level. And I will go slowly upwards to 10,000 and then try to go to 800 plus. So during the drawdown, my strategy is to go small and slowly, so that I will have again the right to risk more. As soon as it touched this level, it went up. Fair value gap, bullish order block. It all works, depends the circumstances. But yes, here it's a great example of ICT thinking, of ICT concepts. As I said, I have studied ICT, I love ICT. I'm just trying to make it fit in my own perspective. Yeah, I also used for the first time ever the awesome oscillator, just to see what is that all about. I don't really find something that it could help me. This is the stochastic oscillator. Also I haven't been using it for some time now. It is overbought, but you know, who cares? You never know. Yep, here is the first hit point. So I will take half of it. Boom. And I will move my stop loss to a positive direction. So this will be, yes, a break-even trade if it goes straight downwards. Maybe I could move it a little bit more under this fair value gap, and as we see it goes further for the buy side liquidity pool. I could buy more if it retraces backwards. I will buy more. Καλά στο. Live. Να. Εντάξει, okay. Πάντως, okay guys, I have to go. Δεν βλέπει κανείς τις γύρω, οπότε μην αγχώνεσαι. Κοίτα. Θα κάτσουμε μαζί, Νικόλα. Okay guys, I'm closing now the streaming because I have...
Με τις τούχες.
Μπράβο, παιδί μου.
Κοίτα, όπως βλέπεις,
Όπως βλέπεις.
καθαρίζουμε. Καθαρίζουμε.
Ναι.
Κοίτα.
Okay.